And the smell. Today we are going to prepare pumpkin cake, and we start by preparing the pumpkins. Then we are going to boil them for some time until they are really soft so that we can mash them. I must say these pumpkins got me into trouble. I cut myself while preparing. Yeah, so the next thing we are going to blend them so that we can make a puree. As we blend, if you have come across this channel for the very first time, kindly consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time we upload a new video. If you're a returning viewer, subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch our videos. We really value you. For this recipe, we're going to add milk and another 2 secret ingredients which you will see in due course to just take this pumpkin cake to the next level. To our new subscribers, you're most welcome to the Just family. We value your support and you're taking time to consider us worthy of your subscription. As you can see, we are getting really good consistency. We're going to use it to make cake and chapatis. We're going to start by baking the cake, and the first thing is to prepare the tin, and we used oil and some flour. For all the ingredients that we have used, we're going to link to indicate them in the description box down below. For the flour, we used 2 cups. We have a teaspoon of bicarbonate soda and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Then we are going to add cinnamon to your desired quantity and sieve all the dry ingredients. If you're still watching, kindly comment down below with what you think about this recipe, and remember to like this video and share with your friends. The outcome was amazing, so this is a worthwhile recipe. And of course, we get to mix the dry ingredients evenly, put them aside, and now start preparing the wet ingredients. And we are going to start with sugar and margarine. The quantity of sugar should be a whole cup, same case with margarine, but because I reduced my quantity, I reduced both and I mixed evenly. And then I added 3 room temperature eggs, room temperature, not cold. And then I added vanilla essence to just give flavor and also to manage the smell of eggs. Ensure they are all mixed before you add anything else. Then we added our pumpkin puree and also mixed evenly. Once they are well mixed and everything is just good, the wet ingredients are ready. Now we can add our dry ingredients and mix them until they are evenly mixed. So as you can see, the batter is mixing very well. Then we added some sprinkles and some chia seeds. My apologies, you could not see the name from the packaging, but it's actually chia seeds, and mixed evenly. I have always put chia seeds at the top, and for the first time I decided to just put them together, mix with the batter so that I cook once, and I'm telling you, I will never look back. I will never sprinkle them at the top. I will always mix them with the batter before cooking. Yeah, so the batter is fully ready and we are ready to make the cake. I decided to make a bread like cake size, but this batter was too much. Yeah, and I didn't want to start making more cupcakes, but I should have, because it actually it was overflowing the container. Imagine, even after taking a portion which I used for these cupcakes, and the cupcakes were amazing. They didn't crack, they just gave me a perfect outcome. It was time to bake, and as you can see, they're just coming out perfect. So our cupcakes are ready. Yeah, you can see they didn't even break. They came out so perfectly. And because I think I love blue, I will do the test of this one. So the good thing about the silicone cups, they just peel off. You can see they both separate peacefully. So you can see how it looks like. It's so nice. Let me bite where there are sprinkles. It's really nice. Here is the second cake. Look at how brown. And the smell. What I don't understand is why it has cracked. You can see it has cracks here. But I think this will continue to happen for my recipes, because if you watched our previous video by Rose of Red Rose Cakery, he said you must stick to the quantity of the ingredients, and I don't, because I don't want too much sugar in my cake. So usually I put less sugar to be able to ensure I am balancing my sugar. So I am not going to complain anymore. I've been complaining before. Now I know where the problem is. Yeah. So here we are. Looks so yummy. Let's put it to the taste test. So let's see if it will separate with the container piece. Oh yes, it was just holding here on the side. So it is amazing. You can see it, and it's spongy. So let's just slice it and see. Look at it, guys. Look at how cute. Yeah, so let's put it to the taste test. You can see the sprinkles have given what they were supposed to give. So let's put it to the taste test. Of course it tastes as the cupcakes, but of course we have to taste. It's also very nice and very well cooked, and the color is giving. You can see. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new, kindly consider subscribing. If you're returning, thank you so much for always coming back to watch our videos. See you on our next one. Bye.